Hi everyone, I am Strajika Gupta and I am a 2021 graduate from Dr. Ram Manohar Lohia National Law University, Lucknow. After I was done with my college, I came across a course from Law Seco, and it began with a 3-day boot camp regarding USIP paralegal. I've always been interested in intellectual property laws, and I felt like this was a good opportunity to get me started on honing my skills in intellectual property. So I attended the boot camp. I really liked how they explained the whole process and the whole dynamics of international intellectual property, and they also informed us about the various opportunities that we can get internationally while sitting at the comfort of our homes. And so I decided to enroll for the course, and it was an integrated course wherein we also got a lot of other courses which were like introduction to intellectual property, introduction to legal writing, and 2-3 other courses as well. So it seemed like a good deal, and I decided to enroll. And within the first week or the second week of enrollment, we were introduced to the freelancing team, support team at Law Seco, and they actually encouraged all of us to start our freelancing journey. So they basically focused on 2 platforms, which was Upwork and Fiverr initially. So I made an account on Upwork and Fiverr as well in June itself, but I couldn't grab any opportunities at the moment. So obviously disheartened, I gave up. But then we had this influx of messages coming in on our WhatsApp group where Priyanka ma'am and all the students who shared success stories. So it really motivated me to try again. And in August I tried again. And when I tried again, this time I saw videos uploaded by Law Seco with respect to support in legal freelancing, how we could entertain the clients better. And then I got my first client, and then ever since then I've never looked back. I have been employed on a long-term basis by a digital marketing agency in Missouri. They basically focus on small and solo law firms to better their digital marketing. And I've also gotten projects from Australia, from China, and those clients, the projects vary anywhere from legal research to drafting and making research papers or writing legal blogs. And I tune in according to my preferences, and I'm really loving the dynamics that legal freelancing has to offer. And I can't thank Priyanka ma'am and Law Seco enough for this, to getting me introduced to legal freelancing. And so far in the last 3 months, I've earned around 2 lakhs in 3 months, and I'm really happy about it. It's given me financial independence also, and I'm finally doing the kind of work that I like, because I never wanted to get into the firm culture. So this is like the perfect thing for me.